But you can call me Ma'am Cueto or Ma'am Lavin. I will be your oral reading tutor. Say good afternoon to your classmate. Do not be shy, I'm not a monster. Alright? So, how are you today? Okay, so to check whether you are really good, I want you to do this activity. So, you're going to forecast your feelings. May I invite everyone to please stand? Okay? Because we're going to imitate what's on the picture. Come on. Please stand. Okay? So, you're going to choose your feeling today. For the first feeling. Okay? First is, if you are feeling sunny today, you're going to stretch your body. Okay? Let me see how you stretch and smile. Yeah, good job. What's your name?
Denmark.
Denmark. Okay? Or today, if you are feeling cloudy, you are going to embrace yourself. Okay, that's good. Okay? And you can also tell me, if you are feeling stormy, you're going to stomp your feet and shake your fists. Can you do that? Stomp your feet and shake your fist. That's right. Or you can also tell me if you are feeling like a rainbow. Okay? You simply wave your hand from side to side like that. Can you do that? Alright. So, let me check your feeling today. Okay? At the count of 3, I want to see your feeling. Everybody ready? Okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Come on, you have to try. Okay? I see rainbow. What about you? Ah, sorry. Is it a rainbow you are feeling? Feeling what? Cloudy. What about you? What do you feel today? Feeling sunny. What about, are you Daniel? Yes, Daniel. You are also feeling sunny. I love seeing different kinds of weather today. Anyway, whatever feelings you are feeling right now, it's okay. We are here to support you. Okay? So I guess you are ready for our new lesson. If you are ready, please stomp your feet, starting with the right foot, then left foot, and then clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, and then sit down. Alright. Okay, so now I'm really curious about every one of you. I have few questions to ask. Okay? Do you have friends? Okay, I too has a lot of friends. What do you do with your friends? You're playing. When you meet your friends, what do you usually say? Yes, Sandra. You also play. What about if it's the first time you meet your friends? While you are walking along the JP Rizal Street, what do you say? Huh? What do you say? You say hi. Okay. You are really friendly. Daniel. That's good. So I hope everyone is really friendly. I just ask you those questions because I will be telling you a story. Alright? So, the story is about I need to repeat the story. Alright, whether you like it or not, I'm going to repeat so that you can easily understand the questions that I'll be asking you later on.
Who can tell me the characters in the story?
Yes. Aside from Sam, who else? The character. Very good. And how will we describe the ant in the story? What about you? Do not be afraid. How will you describe the ant? It's small. Okay. What did Sam say to the ant? Can you still remember what did Sam say? Yes? And he said hi to the ant. Now, why do you think the ant ran fast? No kayong reason. Because what's the English term for natakot? Who would like to translate that in English? Natakot daw, yung ant. The ant? Okay, you have to try. The ant scared. Okay, very good. The ant was scared. I guess you really understand the story. Alright? So, before we move on, let's have a few recap of what we had yesterday. Okay, so yesterday, we studied foreign letters. Okay? Take a look on our screen. Diba you studied two foreign letters like W and Y. Who can recall the sound of W? Yes? Yes, W. W and Y. Can you think of words that start with W? Who would like to give example words that begin with W? Anyone? W. Any word, yes? Watawat. Okay, watawat. Okay. Another word. Water. Okay, it could be in Filipino or in English. Water. Last. One. As in what? Walis. Okay. We have watawat, water, and walis. What about words that begin with y? Yes, sir. Yo-yo. Okay, it's correct. Another? Yaya. If we have yo-yo, then we can also have yaya. That's great. You're really amazing. Another? Yo-yo. When you see your friends. Because we talked about friends earlier. Okay, I want you to take a look on the following words. Alright? So, what's the sound of W? The sound? Huwag magalit. Okay, so we have W. Okay, W. Okay? So then, let's read the following words. Water. Now, the sound of Y. Yeah. Okay? Yo-yo. Very good. So, you are now letter detectives. Congratulations. So, I guess you are ready to our next activity. Okay? We will call this activity Sound and Letter Hunt. Okay? Earlier, I hit some flashcards with words and images. Okay? All you have to do is to find one flashcard. Are you ready to hunt? You're going to look for a flashcard that has, what does it contain? Image and words. Alright? And then once you see a flashcard, you're going to return to your seat. Are you ready, guys? Ready? Okay? I want you to go and find a flashcard at the count of 5. Ready, go! 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you find one, you may go back to your seats. If you have 2, that's alright. The more, the merrier. Okay, that's great. So Daniel has 2. Cyrus has one. What about, what's your name? Mary Chris has. Okay. Now, I have here the marker. So, I hope everyone has his or her own flashcards. Okay, you can give the other one since we have two. Okay? Yeah. Alright then? So, what I want you to do is to look on your flashcard. Give her one, please. Okay? And then, I want you to circle the first sound. Again, kindly circle the first sound. Circle the first sound of the word. You can borrow her marker. Again, I want you to circle the first sound. Okay? The first sound of the word. Okay? And I saw that you are finished. Alright? Is it difficult? You are just going to look at the first sound. Alright. So, let me see if you are done. Please raise your flashcards. Let me see if you are finished. Raise your flashcards. Pakitaas po. Yan. Let me see. Please raise your... Yan. So, I notice that your words either start with the sound of S and A. Because today, that would be our main, our focus sound. We're going to talk about the two sounds. Some of you has flashcard that begins with the sound. Everybody? Okay? What's the sound of this letter? Okay, just like the sound of a snake. What's the sound of this? Not snake, but the sound. Okay? Okay? And the other one is this one. Okay? So let's just focus on the first letter. This is letter S. Okay? The sound of letter S is, what's the sound of letter S? Very good. Now, how are we going to write letter S? Okay? You start to the top. Show me the letter S by writing it in the air. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go! Curve forward and curve back. Now, this time I want you to try it on your pan. Okay? Start. Ready, go! Okay, curve forward and curve back. Okay? Now, try it at the back of your classmate. Okay? No, you're not going to use the marker. You're just going to use your finger. Okay? Sorry. Okay, let me just clarify the instructions. Okay? You use your finger, not the marker. Okay? Start to the top. Come on, you do. You're here. Okay? You start to the top. Curve forward and curve back. Okay? Now, please stand. Everybody please stand. I want you to write it using your body. Okay, just like this. Start to a curve. Start to the top. Curve. Back, forward, and curve back. Okay, please stand. Ready, go. Start to the top. You are going to write letter S. Remember, okay, start to the top. Curve, forward, and curve back. Can you now write letter S? Okay, now let's proceed. Let's proceed. You want another S? Okay, so let us have another letter for today, which has the sound of A. Okay, everybody say A. Again, I can hear the voice of some boys. A. Okay, it's a combination of letter A and E. You have to drop your jaw. You have to drop your jaw like this and say Okay? One more time. Okay? So, this is letter. What do you call this letter? Letter A. And the sound of letter A is Okay? So, how are we going to write letter A? Look at here. You are just going to have a circle and straight line. Everybody, have a circle, draw a circle and straight line. Okay? Can you do it now? Try it in the air. Okay? Boys, can you try it in the air? Circle. Everybody, circle and down. One more time. Circle and down. Can you try it at the back of your classmate using your finger? Okay? You do it at the back of your classmate. Okay? Circle, draw a circle. Come on, you can do that. Okay? Circle and down. Now, please stand. We're going to write it in the air. Come on, do not be shy. Okay? Come on, let's try to write letter A. I know you wrote there. Okay, ready? Okay, are you ready? Yes, okay? Let's begin. We have letter A. We're going to do this. Start as draw a circle and straight line. Okay? Oh, di ba daw? Okay, good job. We have the two sounds. Okay, now, look at your flashcard. Okay? Diba? I told you earlier that you circle the first sound. Okay? Daniel, okay, please stand. What's your name? Denmark, please stand. Show your flashcard to your classmate and tell me the word. What's this word? Okay? Sige, please stand. Nahihiya. Sige. Please tell your word. This is, okay, look at here. Arm. The first sound is, what's the sound? Okay, very good. Next, your word is sad. The first sound is, very good. Next, you have how many flashcards? Okay, you have two. The first word is apple with the sound of Okay, again, Okay, next, you have two flashcards. The other one is, how will you read this? Who wants to help? This is, very good, art. And it begins with the sound Okay, good job. Next, what's your word? Oh, your word is sad. And it begins with what sound? Very good. Next, your word is add. And what's the beginning sound? What about you, Daniel? You have sad. The beginning sound is and the other one is alarm. And it begins with the sound of again. Okay, very good. So let me collect your flashcards. Kindly pass your flashcards. So those are the words that begin with a and s. Okay, so this time we're going to have blending of the two sounds. Again, what are our two sounds? What's our first sound? Everybody look at here. And the other sound is again, Now, we're going to combine. Let's imagine that these two sounds have power and we're going to combine or blend them. Okay? Let's do this. Sam saw an ant. Again, Sam saw an ant. How many words do we have here? We have 4 words. So let's check, diba? Okay, we have Sam saw an ant. Okay, so we have how many words? 4 words. Next sentence. The ant is small. Again, excuse me. Okay, the ant. Everybody clap. Again, the ant is small. How many words we have? Still, we have 4 words. The ant is small. You are correct. Let us see. Okay, what about this sentence? It is a sad cat. Okay, it is a sad cat. So how many words we have? We have 5. Very good. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You are now turning into some detectives. Okay? Let's have a review. If you can still recall the combination of the 2 sounds. What are the 2 sounds that we studied? We have a and s. When we combine a with s, what will happen? We can have the word as. If we exchange its position, we begin with this. What sound is this? Like the snake. And then the sound of this is like when your mom is going to feed you. Then what's the word that we can form? We have sa. Okay, you are doing well. And I am sure you are ready for the next activity. Okay?